Lamdeng Apunba has issued a strong ultimatum to the state government, declaring that they will be compelled to shut down the solid waste management plant by June 1st if the authorities fail to make the project fully operational. Advisor of Lamdeng Apunba Shutdown Netrajit said that despite submitting memorandum on March 25th demanding a proper functioning of the plant, the authorities have taken no concrete action. He warned that if the project remains neglected, the organization will have no option but to forcibly shut down the plant starting June 1st. He stressed that the plant, which was commissioned in 2007, was functional for some years but has remained non-functional since 2015. He pointed out that while the state government has spent crores of rupees to develop Imphal into a smart city, but Lamdeng has been turned into dustbins, causing inconveniences to the people of Lamdeng. The solid waste management project, which was projected to convert waste into manure, that is fertilizer, for benefits of the public, has turned into a total failure, which has also become a reason for spreading of various diseases. He further stated that the people of Lamdeng have already contributed over 84 acres of land for the project. Despite these huge sacrifices, the authorities have failed to revive the plant even after years of repeated assurances. Lamdeng Apunba has demanded immediate implementation of the 7-point memorandum submitted earlier and made it clear that if work does not begin on the ground within the given time frame, they will be compelled to shut down the plant from June 1st onwards. He also warned that no other developmental activities or works will be allowed at the project site without prior consent of Lamdeng Apunba.
Lamdeng gi laikai humsi namteiba manam sidagi thokpa chingdongna pairibase namteiba manam chaba haure aingna Lamdeng pumbasi yome aduga aikogi sidagi chenthar apumba isingsina Lamdeng gi lawbukta Lamdeng gi chawbi lakhong sida sahi taragi mathakte chelaga lae puchokbuba aduna sasan su chaba ngamde aduga aikogi ngasu phaba yadi isingju sinaba yadi sigi isingjina hek sinorboda lowpari kunta gi mathakta sahi tarase solid waste treatment plant siga thagnaba amata sarak taba kuire sarkar na yengjan bidraba solid waste treatment plant Imphal dana kari lauri smart city karo chama Lamdeng dana kari tauri achauba dustbin apumma sagi dustbin sanagi marung kokpa yaba solid waste management plant Manipur sarkar na dustbin on thoi karai da Lamdeng da akoi khangma ngamdre akoi sahi pune na khang Lamdeng na Imphal city bu nalani har puthokani mai puthokani hargadi Manipur puna mapulangan gani hargadi Lamdeng na kathokani hadana piki baneba karigi Manipur sarkar na du khangda bano solid waste treatment plant bu dustbin on thokpasi India gi karamba thabakta laige aduna numit kuni sida Manipur sarkar na Lamdeng da positive response speed ragadi akoi na June gi tang amadagi Lamdeng kun hingna bagi damakta solid waste thingjalani